An Ethernet cable is a type of network cable used to connect devices within a local area network. It transmits data via electrical signals between computers, routers, switches, and other network devices. Common types include Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a, which vary in speed and shielding. Ethernet cables are known for their reliability, low latency, and high data transfer rates, making them ideal for gaming, streaming, and other bandwidth-intensive activities. They typically use RJ45 connectors. Number 1. Jadall Ethernet Cable. The Cat8 Ethernet Cable, outdoor-indoor, 50 FT heavy-duty high-speed Cat8 LAN network cable is engineered to provide top-tier networking performance for demanding applications. This 50-foot cable supports ultra-fast data transfer speeds of up to 40 Gbps and a bandwidth of 2,000 ms, making it perfect for activities like 4K video streaming, online gaming, server hosting, and high-speed data transfers. This Cat8 cable minimizes electromagnetic interference and crosstalk, ensuring stable and reliable data transmission even in complex networking environments. Its rugged PVC jacket is UV-resistant and weatherproof, offering excellent protection against harsh environmental conditions, making it ideal for outdoor installations. Number 2. DbillionDa Ethernet Cable. The DbillionDa Cat8 Ethernet Cable, outdoor and indoor, is a high-performance networking solution designed to deliver ultra-fast speeds and maximum durability. This cable supports data transfer speeds up to 40 Gbps and a bandwidth of 2,000 ms, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks such as online gaming, 4K video streaming, cloud computing, and high-speed data transfers. Constructed with a double-shielded, foil-twisted pair design, it effectively reduces electromagnetic interference and signal loss, ensuring stable and reliable connections, even in complex networking setups. Number 3. Orbram Ethernet Cable. The Orbram Cat8 Ethernet Cable, 15 feet nylon-rated high-speed heavy-duty network LAN patch cord, offers top-tier performance for demanding networking needs. This 15-foot Cat8 cable supports data transfer speeds up to 40 Gbps and a bandwidth of 2,000 ms, making it ideal for applications like online gaming, 4-core 8K video streaming, cloud computing, and data-intensive tasks. The cable features a high-quality nylon-braided design that enhances durability and flexibility, protecting it from bending, tangling, and physical wear and tear. This braided exterior not only adds strength but also offers a stylish and premium appearance. Inside, the cable is constructed with a double-shielded twisted pair structure that reduces electromagnetic interference, EMI, and crosstalk. Number 4. CableMatters Ethernet Cable. The CableMatters 100-pack Cat6 pass through RJ45 connectors are designed to provide reliable and efficient termination for Ethernet cables in both home and professional network installations. These connectors are compatible with Cat6 and Cat5e cables, making them versatile for various network setups. They feature a pass-through design that allows individual wire pairs to extend through the front of the connector, simplifying the wiring process and ensuring proper alignment and termination. Made from high-quality materials, these RJ45 connectors offer enhanced signal integrity and reduced signal loss due to their gold-plated contacts, which provide corrosion resistance and improved conductivity. The pass-through design also helps to minimize cable wastage and speeds up the crimping process, making them ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers. These connectors are suitable for both solid and stranded cables, allowing them to be used in a wide range of network applications, from home networking to data centers. The transparent housing makes it easy to verify the correct wiring order before crimping. Number 5. Snowkids Ethernet Cable. The Snowkids Cat8 Ethernet Cable 50 FT offers ultra-fast data transfer speeds of up to 40 Gbps with a 2,000 mAh bandwidth, making it ideal for gaming, 4-core 8K video streaming, and high-performance networking tasks. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this cable features a double-shielded twisted pair structure to minimize electromagnetic interference and signal loss. The durable, weather-resistant PVC jacket provides protection against UV and harsh conditions. Number 6. Tumin Ethernet cable. The Qiuean Ethernet cable 25FT is a versatile Cat6 cable designed to deliver reliable and fast network connectivity. It supports data transfer speeds up to 1 Gbps with a 250 mAh bandwidth, making it suitable for activities such as HD video streaming, online gaming, and seamless web browsing. The flat, tangle-free design allows for easy installation along walls, under carpets, or in tight spaces, reducing clutter and improving cable management. Constructed with high-quality, oxygen-free copper conductors, the cable ensures stable signal transmission and reduced interference. Number 7. CableGeeker Ethernet Cable. The CableGeeker Cat6 Ethernet cable 100 feet is a long, high-performance networking cable designed for optimal speed and reliability. Supporting data transfer speeds up to 1 Gbps and a bandwidth of 250 mAh. This cable is ideal for demanding applications like HD video streaming, online gaming, and fast file transfers. Its flat design allows for easy installation along walls, under carpets, or in tight spaces, reducing clutter and making it easier to manage. The cable is made with high-quality, oxygen-free copper conductors that ensure efficient signal transmission with minimal interference. Number 8. Dacrown Ethernet Cable. The Dacrown Cat Ethernet cable 50 feet is engineered for high-speed, high-performance networking, making it an excellent choice for demanding applications. It supports data transfer speeds up to 40 Gbps and a bandwidth of 2000 mAh, ensuring fast and reliable performance for activities such as 4-core 8K video streaming, online gaming, and heavy data transfers. This cable features a double-shielded twisted pair construction that reduces electromagnetic interference and crosstalk, resulting in stable and uninterrupted connections. The heavy-duty PVC jacket provides robust protection against environmental factors such as UV rays and moisture, enhancing durability and longevity. The cable ensures a secure and corrosion-resistant connection, minimizing signal loss and enhancing overall performance. Number 9. CableCreation Ethernet Cable. The CableCreation Cat6 RG45 connectors are designed for high-quality Ethernet networking, providing reliable and efficient terminations for Cat6 cables. This pack includes 50 connectors, ideal for both DIY network setups and professional installations. The connectors are crafted with high-precision metal contacts and gold-plated pins, which enhance conductivity, reduce signal loss, and ensure a stable, corrosion-resistant connection. Their compact and durable design supports easy insertion and secure crimping, ensuring a robust connection. These connectors are compatible with both solid and stranded Cat6 cables. Number 10. GearIT Ethernet Cable. The GearIT RG45 Cat6 Ethernet patch cable offers reliable and high-speed connectivity for networking needs. This cable supports data transfer speeds up to 1 Gbps and a bandwidth of 250 mAh, making it suitable for activities like HD video streaming, online gaming, and fast file transfers. Constructed with high-quality copper conductors, the cable ensures efficient signal transmission with minimal interference. The gold-plated RG45 connectors provide a secure, corrosion-resistant connection, enhancing performance and durability. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price, and description to this products and description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.